Case rocked the Detroit metro community, stunning everyone here, garnering national headlines. Today now, some closure.
They said they want to make an impact statement. I actually want to make a statement to them.
As expected, the mom who admitted to brutally murdering her 2 children was not short on words. This time, speaking to Alexander Dorsey, the only father of one of the surviving kids, inside the courtroom.
They haven't seen them how long? Since 2006. Alexander Dorsey went from 2008, 9, and 10 without seeing his daughters.
Blair again ripping up the fathers of the surviving children who they are seeking custody of.
And they want to talk about how they loved my daughters. Now they want to be front and center, but they was always in the background.
As a mother, one of your primary responsibilities was to protect your kids. And in that respect, you failed in the worst possible way.
And Judge Dana Hathaway wasted no time in making her ruling.
You're therefore sentenced to the Michigan Department of Corrections for the rest of your life without the possibility of parole, meaning, of course, that you will never get out.
But like so many in the community, she articulated her disbelief and horror of what this mom has done.
Despite what happened to you when you were a child, you had the opportunity to grow up.
True.
You had the opportunity to become an adult. You had the opportunity to make your own decisions with respect to running your own life. And you were blessed with 4 children. Stoney and Stephen are never going to have that.
For a background on this story, just go to our website. We have complete coverage for you there on this case from day one. Our address anytime, WXYZ.com. Outside the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice, I'm Mitchelle Blair, 7 Action News.